So I'm gonna live with this for a day, see how it is, see if I can take it, how the drone is for daily commuting and all that stuff, and I will let you guys know if it's a good idea to ride your 11th gen without an exhaust. More specifically, the 1.5 turbo. So yeah, here we go. Oh my god, it's so loud. Currently 79 degrees, 8 o'clock in the morning. I'm already sweating, man. So once it warms up, it doesn't sound all that bad. It's not too loud. It's just that initial cold start where it's kind of loud. Honestly, if I step on it, it sounds like one big fart with crackles at the end once I let go of the throttle. And it gets like extremely loud, especially in the higher RPM range. So if I were to step on this, like I'm gonna floor it. It's like obnoxiously loud. And like driving is just let go of the throttle, bum, 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 like that. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can hear the pops and crackles and stuff, but I'll open up the window. Which is kind of fun, you know? Because we don't get this sound at the Type R. But it is, like I said, extremely loud when you're on throttle. 44 miles an hour, and like, it's a whole lot of noise for not really going anywhere. It does sound cool with the crackles and stuff, which I'm thoroughly impressed. Oh look, another 11th gen. Alright, so we're about to hop on the highway, and we're gonna see just how annoyingly loud this is. So be prepared, guys. Headphone users, be prepared. The car is vibrating so much that even the keys are rattling. Like I'm telling you, the whole car is just rattling. And this is on eco mode too. So I've been driving down the highway for about 15 minutes now, and the drone is kind of annoying me at this point. It's kind of embarrassing because of how loud the car is when on throttle. It's so loud that, like, I'm traveling the speed limit right now, and it's like I don't even want to step on the throttle because of how raspy it sounds. So, highway driving, no exhaust, no good. I don't like it. So, would I personally recommend taking your exhaust off and driving around without an exhaust? Even straight piping this car? No. Because the amount of drone is just insane. I'm driving 70 miles an hour on the highway, and I'm already getting a headache from this car having no exhaust. And it's like the most obnoxious thing ever. And if you tap on like the throttle, like the whole thing just becomes loud, and just it's just unnecessary. You're making all these noises and you're not going anywhere, which is the issue that I'm having. Because if I tap on the throttle, it jumps from 2,000 RPM to 4,000 RPM and I didn't even move. I get it, it's not a Type R or, you know, some sort of fast supercar or whatever. It's just a Honda Civic. It's a 1.5 liter turbo Honda Civic making 180 horsepower. I wasn't expecting it to, when you tap on the throttle, it'll make that much noise. Like, I'm not trying to be mean or anything, but it sounds like diarrhea, like wet diarrhea, a wet fart. Sport mode, here we go, guys. Alright, we're gonna do a 0 to 60 pull on the 11th gen. No exhaust. 3, 2, 1.